This is an install of an M7 tuning R53, R56 carbon fiber shift knob. See my other video about the unboxing. This is the second time I installed the knob, and this time I actually printed out instructions from the website because I noticed I missed some steps. Page 1, page 2. So, step 1, take the knob off. Step 2, take the collar off the bottom of the knob, unscrew it, which I've done, put it on the shift rod. Next step, you have to find one of these plastic adapters here that fits tight, but not too tight, or I'll say snug, but not too snug, or on the shift rod. They go from smallest to largest. The smallest one, I believe, is here. No go. Next. No go. Next. Kind of. But I don't know. Feels like it'll be a little too tight. So as Baby Bear said, just right. Okay, that's what I want. Get it off this way. I have a knife here, but I don't like knives because I tend to cut myself. This part of it came off good, not the other part. See if I can trim that a bit. Don't try this at home. Destroy safety gear. Good enough. There we go. Next step is to put the set screws in. Now please note there are two different sides to the set screw. One side, the included tool will fit, the other side it will not. I've already got them in here. So I'm going to place the knob on the rod and position it. To back these out a bit. Position it. And then you want to turn the knob until you like how the carbon fiber looks to you. Next step is to tighten the set screws with the included tool. You want it tight but not too tight. There. Just the second one. Third one. Okay. The final step, that's good, is to screw on the base with the logo. And one thing I found when I first put this on, I drove around for a bit before the whole thing came loose, is that the base tends to come, it came loose quite a bit. So I'm going to try it now, and if I continue to have problems, I will probably use some thread lock or something to hold it in place there. Another option is I could actually relocate the boot above it, which is something I may also try. That's it. Done. Once again, M7 tuning carbon fiber shift knob for R53, R56s.